Dear children, this is Mentors English Express and I am Sudha Oberoi. This video is in continuation of part 1 in which I had discussed important points and questions given at the end of the poem number 3, Keeping Quiet. In this second part of the video, I am going to discuss important questions based on extracts and few important short questions. The purpose of making this video is to help you write answers with value points in it so that you can score better marks. So let's begin with extract based questions. Questions based on extract. These questions are based on the new pattern for board exam 2021. First stanza is, now we will count to 12 and we'll all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Important points are count to 12, all keep still, not speak in any language, and not move our arms. Question 1 is, how long does the poet want us to stay still? Choices are 24 hours, 20 minutes, till we count to 12, 2 days. Answer is C, till we count to 12. Next question is, what does he hope to achieve by keeping quiet? Choices are value of quiet introspection, rationalize our thoughts, enjoy the exotic moment, all the above. Answer is D, all the above. Next question is, what does the poet mean by not move our arms so much? Choices are to stop physical activity, to avoid mental activity, to stop both physical and mental activities, none of the above. Your choice is A, to stop physical activity. Next is, why does the poet suggest us not to speak in any language? Choices are to understand ourselves, to avoid conflicts, to enjoy strangeness of being together, all the above. And your answer is D, all the above. Here are 2 questions. You can try them answering and writing them in the comments box. First question is, let us not speak in any language, says Neruda. Why? Second is, what are the repercussions of working without thinking? Next passage is, it would be an exotic moment, without rush, without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Important points are exotic moment, without rush, without engines, all be together, sudden strangeness. Question 1 is, what will happen if there is no rush or running of engines? Choices are, tranquility will prevail, engines will stop working, everyone will shout, they all will go to sleep. Answer is A, tranquility will prevail. Next question is, why would it be called an exotic moment? Choices are, they would get time to socialize, they would wait for a moment to get over, they would get free moments to introspect, none of the above. And your answer is C, they would get free moments to introspect. Next is, find the word from the passage which mean hurry. Choices are rush, strangeness, exotic, moment. Answer is A, rush. Next question is, who is the poet of the poem Keeping Quiet? Choices are John Keats, Pablo Neruda, William Wordsworth, Robert Frost. And your answer is B, Pablo Neruda. Here also you have a question, why do we need to take a pause? Write your answer in the comment box below. Next is, fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Important points are, fishermen in cold sea would not harm whales and man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Question 1 is, what do fishermen do in the cold sea? Choices are catch whales, swim, catch crocodiles, do rafting. Your answer is A, catch whales. Next question is, Which organ of the body is affected of those who gather salt? Choices are leg, face, hair, hands. And answer is D, hands. Next question is, what do hurt hands imply? Choices are, they are causing pain to themselves, no leisure to take care of themselves, their hands are beautiful, both A and B. And your answer is both A and B. Next is, find the word from the passage which mean collecting. Choices are hurt, harm, gathering, none of the above. And answer is C, gathering. Next is, again you have got a question here. What should the fisherman not do? Answer the question in comment box. Next is, if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Value points, not so single-minded about keeping lives moving, and huge silence would interrupt sadness and we will threaten ourselves with death. Question 1 is, whom does we refer to in the above lines? Choices are the poet, to humans, to fishermen, to men gathering salt. Answer is B, to humans. Next is, why does the poet want us to do nothing for once? Choices are to get good sleep, to dance, to introspect and analyze their actions, to socialize. And your answer is C, to introspect and analyze their actions. Next is, what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? Choices are of collecting things, of threatening themselves with death, of their success, none of the above. And your answer is B, of threatening themselves with death. Next question is, how can a long silence do good to us? Your choices are help us analyze our thoughts, give some peaceful moments, make us guilt-free from repenting later on, all the above. Answer is D, all the above. Here also there is one question to be answered in the comment box below. What does the poet mean by single-minded? Next stanza is, perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I'll go. Your value points are, earth can teach us, when everything seems dead, later proves to be alive. And now the poet wants you to count till 12 and he is going. Question 1 is, what does the earth teach us? Choices, how life springs from dead remains, how to sow seeds, life never stops on earth, both A and C. And your answer is both A and C. Next is, what does the poet mean to achieve by counting up to 12? Choices, nothing, peaceful moments to think, everything, waste of time. Answer is B, peaceful moments to think. Next is, what is alive when everything seems to be dead? Choices are humans, no one, the earth, the poet. Answer is C, the earth. Short answer type questions. These are important questions and are to be answered in 30-40 words. That is 2-3 lines of your answer scripts. The questions having 2 parts must be answered in 2 paragraphs. Question 1 is, why shouldn't we speak in any language and not move our arms so much? Answer is, people of the world speak in different languages and indulge in unnecessary debates and disputes. Most of these arguments lead to destructive wars. So the poet urges people to stop speaking in any language and to get united and work for common welfare of mankind. This feeling of oneness is going to connect them to each other and a mutual understanding will develop sense of belonging among them. Your value points are that they should stop speaking in any language and get united. Next question is, which is the exotic moment that the poet refers to in keeping quiet? The poet refers to the moment of stillness and quietness as an exotic moment because there would be no rush of engines and tranquility will prevail. This moment of peace is necessary to rationalize our thoughts. Next is, what does the poet ask the fisherman and the man collecting salt to do? What does he exactly want to convey by this? The peace-loving poet feels that man's greed and lust for amassing wealth has resulted in extinction of many wonderful species. His undue interference with nature has invited its fury in the form of massive destruction we see in our surroundings. So he urges fishermen not to harm the whales living in the cold sea of polar region. Likewise, he wants humans to take some time from their busy schedule to take care of themselves. He exactly wants to convey an important message through these examples to respect nature and love their body, which is abode of temple. Next is, what are the different kinds of war mentioned in the poem? The wars mentioned in the poem are green wars against the environment, wars with poisonous gases and fire. They must be instantly stopped to save the environment and for the betterment of mankind. Next is, what alternative does Pablo Neruda suggest instead of indulging in wars? The peace-loving poet is concerned about the nature and future of mankind. He urges people not to indulge in destructive wars. Instead, they should cleanse their minds of all evil thoughts and come out in their best dresses to join a walk with their brother under the shady tree doing nothing. This would ignite a feeling of togetherness in their hearts, so inevitable to improve quality of life. Your value point is that they should not indulge in destructive wars. They should cleanse their minds of evil thoughts and walk with their brothers under the shady tree. Next question is, which images in the poem Keeping Quiet show that the poet condemns violence? The images of fishermen harming the whales in the sea and wars leaving behind no survivors to celebrate the victory show that the poet condemns violence. The poet's refusal to have any association with death also shows that he is not in favor of any form of violence. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.